Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your trucking business. First, choose the right QuickBooks version, like online or desktop, to fit your operational scale. Next, set up a tailored chart of accounts to accurately categorize trucking-specific income and expenses, such as fuel, repairs, and driver wages. Connect your bank and credit card accounts for automatic transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Finally, customize your invoices to clearly show load numbers, mileage, and other crucial details for your clients. Effectively managing your income and expenses is crucial for a healthy trucking business. Be sure to record all revenue from freight hauling, including any extra charges like detention or layover fees. Accurately categorize your operational expenses, such as fuel purchases, vehicle maintenance, and driver payroll, to understand where your money is going. Utilize QuickBooks class or tag features to track the profitability of each truck or specific routes. Remember to reconcile your bank and credit card statements every month to ensure all transactions are accounted for correctly. Handling payroll and staying compliant with tax regulations are vital for any trucking company. Set up your payroll system to manage driver wages, whether they are paid per mile, a percentage of the load, or a flat rate. For owner-operators, meticulously track all payments made to them throughout the year to easily generate their 1099 forms. Crucially, use QuickBooks to monitor your International Fuel Tax Agreement, or IFTA, obligations by recording fuel purchases and mileage driven in each state. Finally, generate detailed financial reports to simplify your tax filing process. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks offers advanced features and reporting to give you deeper insights into your trucking business. If you sell any parts or supplies, you can use QuickBooks for basic inventory management. Track your fixed assets, such as trucks and trailers, to accurately calculate depreciation over their useful life. Generate custom reports to analyze key performance indicators, like profit margins per load or per customer, helping you make informed decisions. Consider integrating QuickBooks with specialized third-party applications for dispatch, fleet management, or electronic logging devices to streamline your operations further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.